Is it the right time to buy or sell Apple stock? Today, we're going to take a deep dive into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website back on Wednesday, December 13, 2023. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so you can stay up to date with our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide today. Just a reminder, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 7, 2023, our system has identified Apple as a strong buy candidate, with a score of 8.14. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has demonstrated a gain of 8.88%. This means that, on average, it has delivered a daily return of 0.34% since being labeled as a strong buy candidate. The stock is currently in the upper part of a strong rising trend in the short term. This presents a potential opportunity for short-term traders to sell, as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. Keep an eye on the top trend line at $201, as a breakup would indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 12.94% change over the next 3 months. This means there is a possible return between 2.09% and 14.67%. For the 12-month trend, we anticipate a 32.39% change over the next year. This could result in a potential return between 16.29% and 44.85%. In terms of price, we could see the stock range between $230.21 and $286.75 after a year. Our latest update on Apple reveals exciting news. The Apple stock has been upgraded from a buy candidate to a strong buy candidate after Wednesday's trading session. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 13th of December 2023, the Apple stock price experienced a positive gain of 1.67%. It rose from $194.71 to $197.96. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $194.88 and a high of $198, with a total fluctuation of 1.6%. It's worth noting that the stock has shown a positive trend, rising in 7 out of the last 10 days and increasing by 4.54% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, the volume of shares traded on the last day was higher than the previous day, which is a positive technical sign. In total, approximately 15 million more shares were traded, with a total buy and sell volume of 67 million shares, valued at around $13.17 billion. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached was $198.22, while the lowest price was $124.17. Currently, the price is 0.13% or $0.260 below the 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 13.27% or $30.30 below the all-time high, which occurred on August 30, 2018, when the price reached $228.26. Analyst ratings. On Friday, November 24, 2023, Wedbush gave Apple AAPL an outperform grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, November 21, 2023, KeyBank gave Apple AAPL a sector weight grade with a hold action. On Friday, November 3, 2023, Raymond James gave Apple AAPL an outperform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, November 2, 2023, Evercore ISI gave Apple AAPL an outperform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, November 2, 2023, Barclays gave Apple AAPL an equal weight grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Apple stock a general rating of strong buy. They strongly recommend buying the stock based on its PE ratio and price-to-book ratio, both rated as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have a more neutral perspective. let's take a look at the signals for Apple stock. The Apple stock is showing positive signs with buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages. This indicates a favorable forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relation between these signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, there is support expected at $194.51 and $185.51. If the stock breaks below these levels, it would issue sell signals. A buy signal was previously issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, October 26, 2023, and since then, it has risen by 18.62%. This suggests a potential further rise until a new top pivot is found. The volume is also increasing along with the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. However, there have been some negative signals as well, which may have some influence on the near short-term development. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a buy signal 34 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy 1 day ago. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal 10 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a buy signal 30 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 27 days ago. Now, let's analyze the 12-month chart. The short moving average suggests a buy signal 30 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a buy signal 27 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 15 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. When it comes to the downside, there are a couple of key support levels for Apple. One is at $181.82, and the other is at $176.65. Support levels are important because they indicate where the stock has historically found enough buying interest to prevent further decline. However, it's important to remember that if a support level is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. So, in this case, if Apple breaks the support at $181.82, the next support will be at $176.65 and $175.01. In general, Apple tends to have very controlled movements and good liquidity. This means that the risk associated with trading this stock is considered to be very low. In fact, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 1.23% over the past week. This indicates that the stock doesn't experience wild price swings on a regular basis. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Apple, it's important to understand some key fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Apple's P/E ratio is within the normal range, which is often observed in companies with a long history or stable revenue streams. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Apple's fourth quarter of 2023 is expected on February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $2.08. It's crucial to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Apple. When analyzing the stock, we notice that there's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above. This indicates that, under the right conditions, Apple has the potential to move upward swiftly. If you're considering entering a position, using volume as an indicator for when to exit could be a wise strategy. On the downside, Apple's first support level is at $181.82. If this support level holds, it could serve as a great entry point, as we anticipate a rebound in the stock's price. According to multiple analyst sources, Apple has a strong buy rating. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On November 29, 2023, Condo Chris sold 5,513 shares of common stock as an insider. On November 16, 2023, Adams Catherine L. sold 123,448 shares of common stock as an insider. On November 16, 2023, Adams Catherine L. bought 123,448 shares of common stock as an insider. On November 17, 2023, Adams Catherine L. sold 123,448 shares of common stock as an insider. On November 10, 2023, Condo Chris sold 4,806 shares of common stock as an insider. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be negative with a ratio of -22.828. Overall, insiders have purchased 2,434,113 shares and sold 4,040,792 shares in the last 100 trades. We recommend setting the stop loss for this stock at $190.64, which represents a decrease of 3.7%. This particular stock tends to have low daily movements, which translates to lower risk for investors. Additionally, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was found 33 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Apple stock is showing positive signals and is currently in a strong upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Based on this, we believe it is a good choice at its current levels and we expect further gains in the next 3 months. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy to a strong buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, December 14th, we anticipate Apple to open with a decrease of $1.01 and start trading at $196.95. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of financial loss. We strongly advise consulting a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We're excited to present our current view of the stock. We value your opinions, so please let us know in the comments below whether you agree or disagree. We're also curious to hear your target for the stock. And if you enjoy our content, remember to like and subscribe. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at StockInvest.